I'm Arjun from Haber, India. So Haber is an industrial automation company, particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning based automation for paper industry. So we are participating first time in paper show, paper one show, and we had very good response from customers or visitors from different countries like Jordan, Italy, India, and the technology is primarily focused on we call saving water, energy, and sustainability. So the response is very good, and Paper One Show is really a good show, and definitely we would like to participate in Paper One Show again, because the response from different visitors from different countries for the technology Elixir is really very good. So because the visitors believe that this technology can help improve their process efficiency and reduce the water consumption significantly.